Best Blackout Computer Screen Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular blackout filters in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this blackout computer screen so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the SightPro Laptop Privacy Screen Filter. This filter is engineered to be compatible with most brands of laptops, and you can choose filter sizes for screens from 10.1 to 17.3 inches. It's really easy to install. You can either use the clear adhesive strips that securely attaches it to any screen, or you can use the slide mount tabs that easily stick to the display frame, allowing you to slide the filter on and off the screen as needed. This advanced multi-layered film filter blacks out your screen when viewing from the side while maintaining a crystal clear screen straight on. It also protects your eyes from harmful glare, UV and blue light. It's an ideal solution for healthcare providers, mobile workers, commuters, students and more, so you can stay compliant and safeguard sensitive corporate information while working in airplanes, subways, airports and other public areas. The set includes one privacy screen filter, 2 sets of clear adhesive strips, 2 sets of slide mount tabs, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. SitePro specializes in providing best-in-class privacy solutions to individuals, small businesses, corporations, government and educational institutions. To check out the full specs of the SightPro Laptop Privacy Screen Filter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/screenfilter. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use. So there you have it, the SightPro Laptop Privacy Screen Filter. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material and its overall functionality, we feel that this filter is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the SightPro Laptop Privacy Screen Filter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/screenfilter. Alright, thank you for watching.